A very warm and pleasant good morning to everyone. Today I, Aradhya Singh, student of BBM third year, present here to present a presentation on the topic trade barriers under the guidance of Anil sir. Now let's start the PPT. The topics to be discussed here is trade barriers, classification of trade barriers, types of tariff barriers, non-tariff barriers and examples of non-tariff barriers as you can see here. Now, what is trade barrier? Trade barriers are the restrictions imposed on movement of goods between countries. These are not only imposed on import but also on the export. Now, classification of trade barriers. There are basically two types of trade barriers, that is tariff barriers and non-tariff barriers. Now, what is tariff barriers? A tariff barriers refers to the tax imposed by the government on imported goods from other countries. It is imposed majorly to protect the domestic producers, but the government do also impose tariffs to reduce import from other countries, therefore promoting the domestic products. Now, classification of tariff barriers. The tariff barriers is classified in two types, specific tariff barriers and ad valorem tariff barriers. Now, what is specific tariff barriers? When tax is imposed on size, volume and weight of goods, it is considered as a specific tariff. And ad valorem tariff, when tax is imposed on value and price of goods, it is considered as ad valorem tariff. Now, what is non-tariff barrier? Non-tariff barriers are the non-tax restrictions such as government regulations and policies. Government produces which affect the overseas trade. It can be in the form of quotas, subsidies, etc. Now, some examples of non-tariff barriers, that is quotas, VR, that is voluntary export restrictions, subsidies and embargoes. Now, what is quotas? A quantity. A quotas is a government restriction, trade restrictions that limits the number of monetary value of goods that a country can import or export during a particular period. And what is VER? That is voluntary export restrictions. A VER is a self-imposed limits on the quantity of goods that an exporting country is allowed to export. And thank you.